Hello to my viewers. My maths presentation today is about integration of trigonometric function. I denoted as f of x stands for function. So this topic is under Calculus 2. This maths is intended to the students who are majoring in mathematics and engineering students. So I have here number 1, integral of sine cube x dx over cosine to the 5th x. So take note, I will split the denominator, which is cosine to the 5th. I could do this one as sine cube x dx will be cosine cube x times cosine squared x. So this will be sine cube x over cosine cube x times 1 over cosine squared x. So this will be dx. So, and we know that sine over cosine, sine x over cosine x, that will be tangent x. So this will be integral of tangent cube x. Then we know that 1 over cosine squared x in our trigonometry is secant squared x. So this will be times secant squared x. Then this will be dx. Okay, so I will assume that my u will be tangent x. So derivative of tangent x. So u will be tangent x. Derivative will be secant squared x dx. So take note, this is secant squared x dx is equivalent to du. So I can have now tangent is my u cube, then secant squared x dx, that will be equivalent to du. So this will be du. So integral of u cube will be u to the 4th over 4. Then this will be plus c. So u is tangent. So this will be tangent x raised to the power of 4. This will be over 4 plus c. So my final answer will be 1 over 4 tangent to the 4th x plus c. That's all.